Hey guys, Taylor with GammaEdge coming at you with a quick market status for Friday, March 3rd. Here's our general disclaimer. Give this a read when you've done so. Let's move on. Here, looking at the tick US model, thing that should be evident is the reversal we got intraday, not at the beginning, but more towards the afternoon. We like these kind of reversals better. Only thing to note here on the cumulative tick is the highs of today closed above yesterday's highs. This is trigger day, constructive for the bulls. We do want to see this progress higher. We are above the short-term moving average ribbon, so again, we want to see railroad tracks higher there. Longer-term moving average ribbon is still trending lower, starting to invert. This is not constructive. We did see filtered tick buying to support the up action we did see, and new lows did outpace new highs. Tick ARCX model, not a ton else to say here. Cumulative tick did see a reversal in the afternoon. Today's high closed lower than yesterday's high. That's a trigger day. The longer term moving average ribbon is still trending lower and fully inverted, so something to be cognizant of. Looking at the SPY Gamma dashboard from this morning, really no change here. 400, 395, 390. These are big Gamma delta levels. 400, 400. We roughly settled, close to this area. Large liquidity zone, put dominated environment. I'm thinking it may be hard to progress above this level, especially again put dominated as I talked about. Absorption is going to be hard. However, again, need to wait and watch for price action. Now looking at price action from today, here's the daily chart. Again, local lows, local highs. We're at the bottom of the range. Bulls, we want to see put in a nice engulfing candle today, I guess you can call it. Want to see again progression higher towards 50% retrace, and then ultimately towards top of the range. Bulls, again, we want to see, not we, but the bulls want to see the bears want to see a takeout of today's lows. Zooming in there a little bit, here you can see we're kind of on this hourly chart, we're in a bit of a range here on the hourly chart. That is just local highs that have yet to been interacted with. So we want to see again for the bulls this level to be taken out, then progressing higher. For the bears, we want to see failure here and then ultimately a break of today's lows. Here's the SPY TradingView chart with TradingView scripts. This is 10 a.m. run from this morning. Not really a ton to say here. I guess what we could say is, we had pretty volatile price action in the morning towards early afternoon, pretty choppy, then starts to settle down, really gets compressed here. Then we saw a breakout and a push towards 0GEX. Again, once we got to 0GEX, we had two break and retest here, then pushing higher. So again, those are potential good trade opportunities off of 0GEX. Looking at SPX and Qs, not a ton to say here. One thing on the Qs is we did a ton of chop right at 0GEX negative trends. We were unable to break this level. Then once the market started, ripping higher, again, we saw a rip higher towards 0GEX. So this was a great risk to reward opportunity off of 0 and negative GEX. Again, couldn't break lower. So away we went. Here looking at Microsoft, saw a nice 0GEX to P-trans move. Getting consolidation right around 0GEX, got real volatile, and then it started to quiet down a lot. Here, breakout, bit of a retest, and then away to P-trans. We got textbook move. See that over and over. Again, here's an example of Google. He actually got two playbook moves here. You got a 0GEX to P-trans move, P-trans to plus GEX. The entry, you got a break, you got a retest of 0GEX twice, and then away we went. Great entries there. Now looking at the indexes with our 5 p.m. script. Again, this is the best guess of tomorrow before we get PM updates. So you have SPY trading right at 0GEX, SPX trading in between 0GEX and COTMP, kind of no man's land, and you have Qs trading right at 0GEX. Tesla trading right at negative GEX. Again, the thought here with including this is we may see action like we had the Qs today. Chop around 0GEX if we're unable to get a material push lower. Could act as a support and away towards 0GEX we go. However, it's going to be important to pay attention to general price action in the tick, see if we get a support of that move. Microsoft is at P-trans, potentially we get a retest and move higher. Google, right at plus GEX. The logic here with this is, if we're unable to see an advance of plus GEX, may run out of steam up here. Kind of like how negative GEX, unable to break that, run out of steam there. Vice versa, potential area of supply, lower we go. However, this need to be confirmed with general price action and the tick. NVIDIA sitting right at 0gex, and Meta, come on, sitting right at 0gex. So hopefully that's helpful. Tomorrow's setups, today's price action, potential entries using our levels, and what the tick is saying. So best of luck tomorrow. Any questions, comments, feel free to leave them. If not, I'll see you on the room tomorrow. Bye.